Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can open and exit the Fastboot mode on the Motorola Moto G04 and the G04s. So in order to open the Fastboot mode, the first thing that we need to do is power off the device. So let's do that. Over here we can find the power off button. And once the device is off, now we need to press and hold two buttons. That is the power button and the volume down button. Both of these keys at the same time. So press and hold it until you see the starting image. Okay, there we go. Now we have the Fastboot mode. Once you see it, then you can release the keys. And here you can navigate through the menu by using the volume up and volume down button. So press them in order to go through different modes. And then if you want to accept or confirm the option, then you need to use the power button. So right now, if you want to exit the Fastboot mode, you can choose the power off mode, or you can choose start. Of course, if you choose power off mode, then the device will turn off. And if you choose start, then you should run the device in its normal mode. So confirm with the power button, and that's pretty much it. That's how we can exit the Fastboot mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!